Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate that. So today's video is about unboxing CA foundations, which I have right here with me. And these are the books for November or December 2023 attempts, for which I am going to give my attempt for exams. Firstly, let me introduce you all to myself. I am VaishnaviGangji and I have recently given my 12th exams and now I am going to appear for CA Foundation exams November-December 2023 attempt. So without any further ado, let's begin. So friends, I was given this prospectus separately and now here I have my delivery of books. So let's unbox it. Well, let me tell you one thing here, friends, that I had not planned to shoot this video. I made this video all of a sudden because I wasn't expecting such quick delivery of the books by the ICAI. I really thought that it would take them at least 12 working days. Also, it was mentioned while I was ordering the books that it would take them at least 12 working days, but I legit received them in within 3 days from the order of books. So yes, this was all of a sudden. So friends, these are the 8 books that you receive when you order books from ICAI. So these are the books. So now let me show you each book separately. So for the first paper is Principles and Practice of Accounting, for which you get 2 books, 2 modules like this. So you have got 2 books for this. The second paper is Business Laws and BCR, that is Business Corresponding and Review. Again, for this you get 2 separate books. One is for Business Law and second is for BCR. The third subject is Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. Okay, so this will be really cheap. So yeah, you get only 1 book for this subject and one is Sigma to Little School. So for the fourth paper, you get again 2 groups. One is for business economics and second is for business and commercial knowledge BCK. So again you have here 2 groups. And one is the prospectus, which I have already shown here. Okay friends, that was it for today's video. I hope you found my video a little bit helpful maybe for your CA foundation. So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. You can expect from me further videos which I guarantee you will be definitely helpful for you all with your CA foundation studies. I am planning to make videos on concept clarities of subjects like law or any subject of CA foundation. So do let me know what do you expect from me for the upcoming videos and I will try my best to come up with the videos that you recommend to me. So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye everyone. Take care.